Striim is excited to introduce Striim Cloud for application integration for cloud applications. In this demo, we will showcase Striim's real-time streaming of a popular application, Stripe, and its payment data for instant fraud detection, analysis, and remediation. Let's consider a hypothetical scenario to showcase our seamless integration. Acme Corp is an online retail business that hosts various products and services and enables small businesses on its platform. One of the top challenges this company faces is analyzing and responding to fraudulent transactions, disputes, and other invalid transactions quickly. Detecting such transactions early on and remediating those transactions and accounts in real time and analyzing the data would improve their financial performance and customer experience. With Striim's Stripe connector, Acme Corp can solve this problem in a few simple steps. First, Acme Corp will need to subscribe and sign up for a Striim account from their marketplace. Once successfully logged in, Acme Corp will create a service where a dedicated single-tenant infrastructure will be created for them. After a service is created, they will launch it to create a data pipeline. In this step, they need to simply provide credentials to their Stripe and BigQuery accounts. Striim will validate access permissions, complete automatic schema mapping, and create a corresponding dataset on Google BigQuery. In this demo, we will go ahead and create a new dataset in Google BigQuery. With these simple steps, Acme Corp has successfully created a data pipeline and is ready to stream data from Stripe. Before starting the pipeline, we will confirm that in BigQuery we don't have any data yet in the target dataset. We will also confirm there is payment data on the Stripe account. Once verified, we will start our pipeline. Striim ingests all of the data from the tables selected and automatically switches to incremental mode and performs continuous synchronization with real-time data to BigQuery. As you can see, the pipeline was able to maintain latency in milliseconds. Now let's look at the BigQuery datasets from Acme Corp. As you can see, they are now populated with data by Striim from the Stripe source. Next, let's create a simple dashboard to monitor transactions such as fraud, disputes, and more. On the left, we have a chart for metrics like total good and fraudulent transactions, and on the right we have a chart to analyze historical data in real time for a long time period to detect patterns and anomalies. Now let's create a simple Striim window that can monitor real-time data. In this example, the window holds a credit card declined status for each user for 24 hours. When the same user performs fraudulent transactions more than 2 times, this flow will alert Acme Corp through email, Slack message, and through dashboard alerts in real time. To take things even further, we will test how Striim sends incremental changes from Stripe to BigQuery in real time. To simulate this, we are adding more transactions on Stripe that include malicious transactions. As you can see, Striim detected the new transactions on the source and started ingesting the data instantly. In the Striim monitoring dashboard, you can see the Striim window captured the card declined transaction for that particular user. Let's simulate a few more fraudulent transactions so Acme Corp can receive the Striim alert for fraudulent activity in real time. Now the same user has performed 2 or more credit card declined transactions. Striim will then automatically create an alert flagging the fraudulent user account in real time before the data is sent to BigQuery. Now let's take a look at the dashboard on Looker. As you can see, the fraudulent transactions that belong to user data from Stripe are getting updated in real time. This pipeline will help Acme Corp react to and remediate fraud and disputed transactions quickly, all while allowing them to also analyze historical data for user behavior patterns. In this video, you have seen an application integration from Stripe to BigQuery using the Stripe connector by Striim.